Hi, this is David Azimi. I'm sitting here with my buddy here, Lawrence Pirouzi. Just wanted to kind of ask Lawrence a few questions regarding the recent property that we just listed together. And Lawrence, can you explain to me how fast that property went?
Oh my God. Thank you, David. Yeah, that property we had it for 3, 4 days and we sold it. And the most important thing was doing a proper open house. We let the neighborhood know that we were doing that. We cleaned it properly and we put it on open house. And we had a few people come in and we had an offer the first day of the open house. So we succeeded in that really quick.
What a beautiful story that is, right? And this property, by the way, was listed by another agent. Nothing wrong by listing with another agent, but unfortunately, they were not able to get an offer that the seller would be expecting. So when Lawrence did the open house and we had the mega open house, we invited everybody, and at the end result, we went pending within 72 hours. And the better story that is that when Lawrence did the open house, he managed to find a buyer that was looking for a property. That particular property they came to look at in an open house wasn't what they were looking for, but then he used his magic in finding him a property right the next day, right?
That's right. The same day. The same day. They came on a Saturday and they wanted a 3 bedroom. Our property was a 2 bedroom. And I told them I'll meet them after the open house at 4 o'clock. And I showed them a few homes and we finally found what they liked. I showed them only 3 homes and the third home was the home that she really liked. And we put an offer on Tuesday and got it accepted by Wednesday. So we sold that and I had just met them on Saturday. So it was a very successful open house.
Fantastic. Well, thank you for sharing that story. By
Thank
the
you.
way, in today's real estate market, who you hire today really does matter. And especially with all the changes happening with real estate, guess what? If you can't change your mindset, then you need to get out of the business. But you know what? Adjust, adapt, and make sure you are on top of your game.
That's correct.